This is the most untapped product research method that we know of and use. Stay tuned.
Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. If you're brand new, welcome to Ecom Street. We're here every single day posting videos. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, as that's the best way to find out when we post a new video.
Every day, guys.
Every single day.
Consistency, every single day.
We are discussing something that no one, I don't think, ever has discussed.
This video is not on YouTube.
Guaranteed.
100% guaranteed.
So this is a strategy that we've used time in through time out, and although we don't guarantee you guys any results, when there's things that have been proven time over time again, it makes sense to teach you guys that to increase the likelihood of you succeeding, right? And so the typical way most YouTubers and most of you probably do product research is by rather going through Facebook feeds and finding ads there, going through all these ad spy tools and finding ads through there, or just going through AliExpress by yourself and finding good products through there and selling them because you think that they're great. All those work. All those are great. Have we used those and made money from them? Absolutely. Is there another strategy that you kind of wonder if the big dogs are using it and you have no idea what it is? There is. You're right, you're smart, you're definitely thinking on the right track, and Anthony's going to share it with you right now exactly what it is, how it's done, there's multiple ways to do it, and exactly why we think it works so well.
Guys, this is a crazy knowledge bomb for you guys, okay? It's basically something, like we've said, nobody's ever really mentioned this. It's kind of it's so obvious and so logical. It's such an easy.
But no one does it.
But no one does it because no one likes to think outside the box. Okay, everyone thinks in a systematic way. Some people are very closed-minded. They're really, really narrow-minded. So they just see straight to the point. Okay, they don't really broaden their horizon. They don't really see other solutions to things and other ways you can do things when it's right in front of them. So what we've decided to do, actually, in a pretty cool way, is for anyone that has a VA right now, or anyone that is hiring anyone from wherever the case is, from any website, this is what you have to do, okay? You're going to contact your VA, and you're going to ask them to look at their customer service emails, so the customer service emails that they're doing for other stores, and you're going to ask them to find the product they're selling. Now, this is something that's so crucial.
A lot of them will just know right away.
For a lot of people, because think about it, guys, logically, okay? They're doing customer service on a daily basis for winning products and for winning, obviously,
that are being skilled currently.
Exactly, right? So they're getting hundreds of emails that they're doing just for one store and for other stores too, right? They may have 5 stores that they're doing, but there's 100 emails per day on those stores, okay? So what you can do is literally pay them to spy in their store, because they have access to their Shopify stores, the client stores, and you can ask them, what product are they selling? Simple as that. They will tell you. They will send it to you. It's been proven that these products that are winning, that they're untapped. You don't really see a lot of these products in the market, right? Obviously you might encounter one that is being done, for example, it may be a posture corrector, but sometimes there's some super untapped products in those, from what the VA finds you, there will be some untapped products that nobody's heard of before, and you could literally just take the product. They'll even give you the website sometimes. I've talked to different VAs, and they give you the website for it. So it's pretty cool and pretty crazy how that works. It's almost like you're stealing the competition, and essentially you are. So that is a super, super incredible way, and kind of I guess you could, not a sneaky way, but it's just a very highly unnoticeable way to do. Nobody's done this before, and I don't think anyone's ever mentioned it before.
Probably not. A couple of questions and concerns you may be having in your mind right now while watching this. Are some of the items that you find through these VAs, you also might find them on Facebook by yourself? Yes. All of them? Absolutely not. Sometimes you might find an Instagram ad with tons of engagement, but there's no proof that it's selling, right? Some ads have millions of views, but their websites are rather, number 1, scams, or number 2, they just bought a bunch of fake PPE views, so you never know that much. Number 2, their links, if they say, for example, they're using Bitly, and you can track their website traffic, they could be getting thousands of clicks every single day, and it doesn't absolutely mean that they're getting sales. Who knows what they're doing, right? Who knows? Who knows what they're actually talking about? But with this strategy, with the whole VA, you know that what they're giving to you is what's actually selling and moving right now, because they're doing customer service, and customers are people that buy stuff, so the item's being bought from that person's store. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Right? That's like what we're trying to say here. So of course, like you can find hot ads that have tons of engagement, or find those websites that have tons of traffic going through, but you never really know what's selling. Even if you have all those Chrome extensions, they can help. But with this, the VA doesn't care. She's still getting paid regardless.
They're getting paid at the end of the day, so
they're getting paid.
Care.
Someone's asking them, hey, what's the product? Like they don't really think too much. I'm assuming, like based on what I've experienced, they give you everything they can. They're still getting paid. They probably don't tell their employer.
Some of them get treated like garbage, so they just literally they don't care. They'll just send it to you anyways.
Some freelancers are crazy.
Yeah, and if you guys are wondering how to do this too, you don't even have to have a VA. Like, so if you guys aren't like scaling heavily right now, or if you're not scaling at all, perhaps you're just in the needs of finding a winning product. There's a website called onlinejobs.ph, or you can even use Fiverr, Upwork, and literally just
online jobs, Fiverr, and Upwork. Go through all those.
Yeah, we'll put the link in the description. And all you gotta do is literally look up Shopify dropshipping.
I'll make it clear. Yeah.
Yeah. Customer service rep.
Step 1, go on Fiverr, Upwork, or onlinejobs.ph. Step 2, search, dropshipping store, customer service agent, get creative with that. Find people. Step 3, hit them up and ask them, hey, not too curious in working with you, but what items are currently selling for your clients? What do you actually do in customer service for? Step 4, wait for a response. They're going to answer. Step 5, find that exact same item on AliExpress, put it onto your store, and test it. Yeah. Again, all this can be done, and it still might not work out for you, but hey, at least you know that that item's hot and it's moving, and you can probably find something similar, hop on that wave, 100%. Or change the angle up. It will work for you.
It will even give it access to you guys. Like if some of these VAs are giving you stores, say they give you the best general store they're doing customer service for and nobody's heard about it yet, you literally have a store that you could spy on and just see what they're importing to their store. So
the newest items.
Literally, Commerce Inspector, best-selling items or newest items that they're importing. If this is a really popular store and they're importing products every single day, you literally have a store that's just shown with multiple items daily, and you can just test it. And that's how scary dropshipping is. You can literally just take that from someone, but no one executes it properly, so that's why you have to be the best of the best to actually do well. But yeah, guys, that's basically our little tip for you. It's nothing like crazy, but if you really think about it, it could be pretty damaging, especially for a lot of the dropshippers that are scaling pretty heavily. So it's good that you take this. Great power comes great responsibility. So
when I hire my VAs, I say don't do this. I tell them. I say hey, don't. If people ask you, don't tell them.
That's the thing, right?
They say okay, but they might still do it.
Say okay, sure, thank you, dear. Right?
I think they do.
Yeah. But anyways, guys, we hope you learned a lot from this video. Definitely a big value bomb for you guys. I don't think anyone's talked about this, and we're trying to make videos where we talk about things no one's really talked about before. So that's kind of our goal for you guys, to provide as much insight as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, guys. Like the video, please share it. Really helps us out a lot, especially for you guys. You're growing, we're growing at the same time, so it's basically beneficial for anyone, for everybody that's following us right now, alright? So stay tuned for our next video, guys, and we'll see you soon.